and this news time begins from work. And you guys must have seen that we are making coffee, but this is not a morning coffee, it is an evening coffee. So happy Friday and welcome to another vlog with the lifestyle with the fit couple. So actually we are starting this vlog right now because there are so many things that we are you guys have been asking for, giving us so many suggestions, so we are implementing some of those over the weekend. So that's why we have to like put into a schedule when we do this vlog for today. And the whole day we were busy. She wasn't feeling too good, so she took a nap and stuff, but she's how are you feeling now? Better. Okay,
I feel good now.
So
I feel good, that's why we are going
for Avengers. So I don't know how many of you watching this vlog are a Marvel fan, but do let us know if you are a Marvel fan, how did you like the movie. And I'm not scared right now discussing this because by the time this vlog comes out and you'll be commenting on it, I will have seen the Avengers. So that's perfectly fine. And this weekend is amazing. It's gonna be amazing. We are enjoying our coffee. We're gonna go to Avengers. Then there are 2-3 more vlogs that will come over the weekend. Those are gonna be very fun and some more connection to us. And then Game of Thrones is gonna be out tomorrow. So that's another thing that we love.
Sunday.
Oh, sorry, yeah, on Sunday. And then Mother's Day is on Sunday and Tanya's brother's day is on Sunday, which means his happy birthday is on Sunday. So a lot of things are going on. Of course, if he would have been in Melbourne, we would have gone there, but they just moved to North Carolina, so we won't be able to go there. Yeah, as I told you already, that there's so many things happening over the weekend, and my routine is totally messed up. I am not going to gym. I'm not doing anything for this whole week. So I really think that those 8 days are gonna be on a full stop now. I would try to start being in a routine back, but she has been doing a pretty good job at it. She only missed a single day. So anyways, we are gonna enjoy our coffee and biscuits and watch some Vikings, and then we will get ready and head out for a movie with you guys. Okay guys, so the time is 9:37 and I guess I'm already ready for last 10 minutes. And I guess I'm way too excited to see the movie. The movie starts at 10:20 and it's only 10 minutes of drive time, and I'm ready so early. So Tanya is getting ready. She is actually ready. She is just wearing her shoes back there. This guy knows we are going out, so he is on his bed and he is probably gonna sleep. And you're gonna take the camera? You guys have seen Cinepolis already, and we anyways cannot shoot anything inside the theater. It's against the law to shoot because of the copyright stuff and all that. So we really don't want to shoot anything inside the theater. So I guess we are gonna go for the movie and share with you how we liked it once we are back. And it's 9:38. We leave in next 5 minutes, or not just now, and we'll just go and chill out there. And we'll be back by what time? 1:45 probably, because the runtime of the movie is like 3 hours 2 minutes, and so I believe that we will be back by like 1:30 or something. So anyways, whatever time we are back, it's a weekend tomorrow, so we're gonna just come back and then we'll let you know how we like the movie. And this vlog is not gonna end yet. So we'll see you guys in a bit. You ready?
Yeah. So let's go.
Ikute. Hey guys. So the time is 2 o'clock and Tanya and Marvel are having some cuddle time because he was alone the whole time. And we are back from the movie, and of course it blew our minds. Oh,
it was amazing.
It was amazing, as you
all know.
Yep. So if you haven't watch it. Please do go and watch it.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna talk about the movie at all because I don't know how many of you have already watched it, how many of you haven't, and I don't want to spoil it for anybody. So make sure, if you haven't, do watch this movie. I mean, if you haven't watched any of the Avengers or any of the Marvel movie, then it will be hard for you to get a grasp of it. But otherwise, if you have and you are waiting to see it, do not wait anymore. The movie is on fire. This movie has already been the most profitable, most grossing movie than ever. Titanic was the one, but this movie already crossed Titanic by far and Avatar by far. So anyway, so that is just the economic side of the movie. But yes, the movie is so good. I mean, I can watch it one more time, but of course not in the theater, maybe at home whenever it's available. But the movie is too good.
Yeah.
Marvel, can you say good night now?
Say good night.
Can you say good night now? And there comes his energy. So anyways guys, we are gonna hit the bed now. It's way too late. Almost gonna be morning. So we are gonna go hit the bed and then see you guys in the morning.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good morning! Just gave Marvel his breakfast and now we're going for a walk. I did make my shake and keep it in the fridge, and I added everything for my tea. I just have to add water once I am back. And now we are going for a walk because Marvel is done with his breakfast. It hardly takes him like 30-40 seconds to finish his breakfast. So anyways, we are going now and we'll come back and see you in some time. So guys, I just got this broom to clean the house, but I think Marvel is going to clean the house today, right Marvel?
You like say what?
Yeah. Do you want to help mommy? Are you going to clean the house? I don't have any problem. You can clean the house. Okay? Are you going to clean the house? Alright, let's start from that room. Go to that room. Take the broom and go to that room. Yes, take it. And let's go to that room. You want to start from that room, Marble? Look at him. No? Anyways, he's just checking the plants. They're not growing, right?
These are like broken.
Yeah, I think just remove them and we'll just...
Because half of the mud is because of the rain. They were so fragile that they got all broken.
Yeah. Just plant something else.
Did you plant it already? Planted.
Yeah. So, let me show you. The snake plant is growing so nicely. You can see this is like a new one over
so
here. This is one new one, and then let me turn it around, and this is one new one, baby, coming out. And these are also growing properly, fresh green leaves.
This one is getting fresh leaves.
Yeah, the money plant is like new leaves are coming out. I don't know what will happen with the palm, but And then this plant is also having new leaves, so they all are growing.
These died.
These are our green pepper, like bell pepper plants. Some of them are dying, some of them are growing. So we
Actually,
just,
I think because of rain or something, this one died.
Yeah. So let's see whatever it
fall
is.
off.
And in this pot we are gonna plant. What we are going to plant? Herbs, basil, and some of that cilantro and all that stuff.
Should I bring today and do this?
You wish.
Gardening.
We have an empty. Okay. We have an empty pot here, and this one is also growing very nicely. Forgot the name. I don't. Let me know if you guys know the name. Yeah. And this also, and fox fern, right? This is fox fern.
Yeah.
Fox fern is like the best plant here because
Very
nothing
low
happens.
maintenance.
Very no maintenance. Nothing happens to this plant.
New leaves.
What is that?
New leaves.
Yeah.
They are all opening up.
So yeah, they all are looking good.
See, this one just opened up.
Yeah.
And this one is.
And we are done with our shake and tea and everything. Clothes are washing, so that is how Saturday is going for now. Like we're just washing up, cleaning up the house. I'm going to clean the floors and then take bath. Let's see whether we go to the gym or not. I'm not really sure about that. Marble is right here.
I'm debating if I should do gardening today.
Yeah, so we are not sure. So we actually are actually planning to get herbs like basil and cilantro, mint and all that stuff and plant it over here, but we are not sure whether we're going to do it now, today, tomorrow, in the evening. So let's see.
So we can do something. You can groom the house.
Yeah.
And then we can, don't take bath. We can go and quickly pick it up from Trader Joe's. Then come back. While I do the patio stuff, you can go take bath.
Yeah.
And then we'll decide next.
Okay, so I think that is a plan. And yeah, so that's it. You guys will get to see our herbs in our next vlog for sure. So I think that's it for this vlog.
What?
Okay, cool. Okay, so we have decided we're gonna clean up the house real quick and then go get the herbs, bring it back, plant it, and we'll show you everything. So let's go. We are kind of rearranging everything. He's cleaning up the patio. There's something in there under that area. Okay, so he moved the money plant in here. I hope you guys can see properly. Yeah. That area. Yep, it looks pretty.
Yep. So once it starts falling out of it, like all over the place, that will be a sight to see. Yeah. So it will look beautiful over there. So this is how this corner is turning out at this point. So I think it's all set, except we have to put the curtains that are washed and clean now. So our big plants are over here, and then this corner with the watering can, and here we are gonna keep all the small ones lined up in this one doesn't go in there, so I'm gonna keep the small ones. Like I'm gonna take these ones out, the purple passion, and then I'm gonna put in those two in the small planters. Then green peppers are over here, this big one is over there. This is gonna be all herbs, this is gonna be all herbs, and then we'll see what else we get. So overall, the patio is looking beautiful.
Come here.
And the arrangement, I like it. So that we don't have to move the plants every time it rains. Otherwise, if we keep it over there, then it pours so heavily that every time we have to like move every plant, and then in the morning have to move out. So it's better that we arranged it in a way based on which plant will survive the rain and which one will not. So that's it.
We are out of the house. So okay, so I have so many coins here that I'll just cash it.
So we are gonna go to Publix probably, because you can convert your coins to
Cash.
Like this is also cash, but
Yeah, like paper notes, you can say.
like
So, yeah.
these are cents and all. Oh, there is 1 rupee.
Oh,
It will get discarded.
yeah, last time it happened like that. Just
It will vomit all 1 rupees out. See,
So-
there's so many Indian coins in here.
oh, I'll just sort it out then later on. So we are going and let's see where we go. I'm not really sure which store we are hitting first. Do you know?
I think we should.
Creators? Let's see. Let's what?
Yeah, let's pick up the plants last ना, अगर सब जैसे वरना वो
Okay.
गाड़ी में गर्म में बहुत ज़्यादा रखे रहेंगे बहुत देर.
Chalega.
Oh,
So let's go. It's very hot.
dying.
What's the temperature? It's 85. Oh my god, look at the camera.
Sweet basil.
Okay, so we are here in Walmart.
Checking out the
And look at the sweet basil
lemongrass.
up on the hanging one.
Hard to maintain तो है.
Yeah.
टांगे किधर? Cilantro किधर है? Mint and cilantro.
I think cilantro.
Cucumber है, petgrass,
Parsley.
sage, lavender, purple basil, sweet basil.
So guys, we got some pretty herbs. These are basil and mint. So we did not get cilantro here. That's why we just got the basil. And my god, they smell so good. So we'll go home and plant them tomorrow. And now we are going back home because I am super hungry. I'm sure he's also very, very hungry
Hell, I am.
because we just had shake since morning. So
Normally, this is not healthy.
yeah.
I mean, once in a while it doesn't really matter, but for some weird reason, there are many Saturdays
Yeah, where we eat our lunch like really late. I don't know, it happens like
and it
that.
just happens.
So anyways, let's go home. Back home and let me quickly show you the basil that we got. And oh my god, the smell is amazing.
And the mint.
Yeah, we got two like
Ooh.
pots of mint.
So we got 2 mint.
Let me smell them. Oh wow, fresh mint. Wow.
Now we can make some summer drinks, lot of recipes.
Lots of recipes and pizza
Fresh.
and pasta and sandwiches and so many things from these things.
Yeah,
Oh my
I
god,
do.
they smell amazing. Yeah?
I was gonna say I'll do pizza recipe now, like basil,
Yeah, basil
and
pesto,
fresh.
yeah, mozzarella kind of sauce pizza.
and I'll make it from scratch, very dough.
So anyways, that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed our vlog and
And we are gonna have lunch now.
yeah, we're gonna have lunch now. It's 5
already-
o'clock.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog right now. We'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe,